Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. What you see here is a board that I have already prepped with some great stuff, and I'm going to do a separate video to show you how I prep these boards, but it's just MDF that I painted and then sprayed some great stuff on, let it cure, and now I'm using a serrated knife to cut that down to reveal the texture inside, which is what I want for the outer edges of my geode. And here what you see is I've taken that board and took it outside to spray paint it gold, just a nice metallic gold spray paint. And now what I'm doing is putting down a little bit of clear epoxy and just spreading that out with my fingertips. And then I'm taking my crushed fiberglass and adding that, and I'm giving a pretty good amount on that because I want to create a lot of depth and texture to this. And then what you will see me doing in a moment here is I take that same clear epoxy and I just drizzle it over the glass. I don't want it soggy or pooling, just enough to get everything stuck together really good. And here I need to apologize. I thought I had hit record, but it didn't start recording, and I only realized after I'd poured my first cup. So what you see here is I'm pouring the bottom, and I'm only using 2 colors of epoxy, and that's a black dye from Alumilite, and then I also have a bronze stone from Mace. And this is a gold paint that I'm using, and it's a solvent-based paint. And it's very similar to if you've seen people use spray paint, except that you don't have all of the issues that you have from pouring or spraying spray paint in an enclosed indoor area. So I just like using this product a little bit better. And I'm just doing dirty pours here, and that's 91% isopropyl alcohol that I have in a spray bottle, and that helps break things up and create those really cool cells. And I decided to add one more cup just to kind of break things up a little bit. I used a little more gold spray paint or gold paint than I really needed to. So I'm just trying to create a little more variation here so I don't have one solid gold slick across the top here. But overall, I'm really happy with how this pour turned out. And one other thing I forgot to mention is in the center, you'll see some crushed glass that I added after I stopped recording last time. And that was applied in the same way that I did the crushed glass around the outside.
So beautiful.
So I have decided that instead of doing the crushed glass here, I wanted to add Druse. So all I'm going to do is add this on top to create more texture, and then I'm also going to add it into a couple of little spots just to add more interest to the overall composition. Okay. And then I also have a couple of little created crystals here that I'm going to add in, and you'll see how I do that.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Here we are with the finished product. Oh, look at that shine. Love all the little details. That nice sparkly Druse. Look at that. Okay.